Welcome again to another partner profile for DiRōNA. I'm Scott Breard. With me today from SBG Funding, all the way from New York, Evan Brown. Evan, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Scott. I'm really excited to talk about our offering and partner up with you guys, and excited to have the conversation.
Excellent. Tell me a bit about SBG Funding for those that are not aware. What can we know about it?
So we are just short of 10 years old. We have had the same mission since the company was incorporated 10 years ago, which is to help small businesses with their financing and working capital needs. We have a couple hundred employees out of a couple offices, but with our main hub in Manhattan. And we help tens of thousands of business owners every single month access the working capital for their business, whether that's through lines of credit, term loans, HELOCs, SBA. We try and really provide the absolute best offering for that specific customer for their exact needs at that time. And so, this is our mission, and we're very excited to come in every day and focus on it.
Your role, Senior Vice President of Growth. How long have you been with the company?
I've been here a little under 3 years. I've been in this space, though, for a little under 13 years. My goal is to help us grow in any way we can. In the more recent years, it's been a focus on technology. We've seen our customers are really excited when we can meet them where they are on their phones or computers and provide as good of a service there as possible. And so we've been investing a lot of time and money into making the experience as good as possible. And it's allowed us to grow really fast. We've grown over 600% over the last 3 years and almost 100% over the last year. And so we like to think we're doing something right for our customers if they keep coming back.
What sort of products are available to DiRōNA awarded restaurateurs? What are some things that they would be interested in knowing?
Yeah, so I'd say our probably most popular product with the hospitality space, restaurant space in particular, is probably our line of credit product. I mean, that is probably our most asked for product in that space. And the reason is the flexibility it provides. We can ideally get you a line above your monthly revenue, and then you can draw down on that whenever you need it. And you only pay interest on what you use it. If we can get you a $250,000 line of credit, you have inventory or something right coming up, you use that money for that, and you pay it back because you had a big party happen a week later, and you only then end up paying for the time you use it. So it's one of our favorite products on the types of businesses that do have inventory needs and unpredictability at times. But we offer a slew of products that work for restaurateurs. Our equipment leasing product is quite popular. People need a new oven or something along those lines. And then for expansion and growth and things like that, people love the term loan options we have. And for those select businesses that qualify for the SBA, we're happy to help a customer walk through that. It's a bit more time consuming and difficult and a whole lot more paperwork. But if that's what the best fit is for the customer and they have the time to do that, then we're happy to help them with that as well.
We find fine dining is, since COVID, growing at a leaps and bounds these days. Many of our restaurateurs are looking at multiple locations, but we're dealing with restaurants, sometimes thin margins, sometimes seasonal. Is it difficult for restaurateurs to apply and be approved, or do you notice that this is a growing space for you?
Yeah, no, not at all. This is a big industry for us. It's funny you mentioned COVID. We saw actually a big boom since COVID as well. Especially in New York, for example, a lot of restaurants wanted to build out outdoor spaces. And those spaces were not cheap. Sometimes costing, between $20,000, $80,000, $90,000 for some of the really bigger ones. And so we saw a lot of requests to help them finance those and spread those payments out instead of right away being able to spread that over a year, 2 years, sometimes 3, 4+ years, right? So no, and if anything, we've made the process easier. That's really been the goal, right? How easily can we get them through it? Now, over half of our applicants do it right on their cell phone. They can connect their account. They give us the information we need. And ideally, we're able to get them a approval within an hour. And we can have that money in their account, in some cases, same day, depending on the situation.
Now, you're located in Manhattan. SBG Funding, is it national?
Yeah, we operate in for most products in almost every state. And there is some little discrepancy to state, but we're national. We only national. We don't offer anything outside the United States. But if you are a business operating over 6 months in the United States, we can probably find a way to help you.
Now, for our restaurateurs interested in learning more, where can they go to connect with you?
Yes, our application is again web based, so they can come to our website, and there's a link I think specifically for DiRōNA restaurants. And again, it's a handful of questions. It's pretty easy, and generally they should be able to get through it within a couple of minutes. And a sales representative, a support representative, will reach out to them pretty quickly and walk them through, answer any questions they have. Our salespeople, our capital specialists really are like some of the best in the business, and they love nothing more than helping a small business get the financing they need and explain and answer any questions they have. So fill out an application, and you'll talk to a person who knows what they're doing and can help you walk through any questions you might have around financing and capital.
We will be sure to add that link just following this video for any restaurateurs looking to reach out to SBG Funding for more information. Evan, thank you for joining me today.
Scott, I really appreciate the time. And for any restaurateurs out there who are interested, don't hesitate to reach out to us. This is what we do. We love to help. And even if it's just some questions, reach out to us and we're happy to answer them, even if you don't think you're ready to begin the application process.
Thank you, Evan.
Thank you, Scott.